Now, once again, our game 4 is Decaro, group of Michael, Kyle, Kenneth, Jeremiah, Jericho Fecas, Rafaelo, Clifford, Jeremiah Caraga, Charles Eusebio. Form your team now. Sabi na kayo, game 5. Alright, form your team now. Two points. One point. Two point. All two. All two, all two. 4-2. 4 fans, wall 2. 16 minutes. Ay, ginawa. Uy, sayang. No good. Basket, 3 points.
Sir.
3 points. 7-2. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Basket, 8-9-2. Ay, sayang. 40 minutes and 30 seconds. Once again, may tubig tayo, malamig ha. 4-3, no good. 14 minutes and 30 seconds. 4-3, no good.
Sir, ba't may tape to?
Ha?
Ba't may tape?
Ha?
Ba't may tape?
Ano?
Ba't may tape?
Dapat pang parang ilaw yun. Parang di mag-
Nag-reflect?
9-4. 9-4. Tama? 9-4. 13 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Basket. 9-6. 13 minutes remaining. Basket. 11-6.
Three.
3 points. 11-9. Basket 2 points. 13-9. Twelve minutes and 25 seconds. Rafaelo, 4-3. No good. Galing na, grabe. Easy boy. Last 3 minutes to 14 scored. 12 minutes remaining. Rebound. 11 minutes and 52 seconds. For 3. No good. 11 minutes and 11 minutes and 40 seconds. Basket. 13-11. Minutes and 15 seconds. Very good. Basket, 2 points, 15-11. Ganda nun. Ito pa. Two points. No good. One minute and 30 seconds before change court. Dire-diretso. No good. Basket. 15, 30. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute before change court. Easy boy. 45 seconds before change court. Thirty-five seconds. Good. Rebound. Kuha for 3. Di pala. Fake. Ay. Ito pa. 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. All 15 pare. Two points. 17-15. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, change court. Di pumasok. The score now is 1-17. Door 15. Fence 15. 17-15. Change court now. Easy boy. 18 minutes and 10 seconds. Enjoy lang tayo, enjoy. Hanggat walang ulan, enjoy tayo. Yeah. Alright. 8 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. 4-3! Uy, tayo yun. Ganda nun. Ganda sa... Ayan. 8 minutes remaining, mga pare ko eh. Basket. 15, 19. Seventeen, 19. Floater. So good. Kuha ni Rafaelo. Back to wall side. Sinasa. Naya. 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. 4-3. No good. Isa pa. 2 points. All 19 mga pare ko eh. Last 7 minutes. All 19. Next game ready. Pakutan, Dang, Wesley, de Guzman, Noel, Spiritu. Basket 2 points. 19-21. Nagabulan sila. Six minutes and 30 seconds. 19-23. Bango ng pelo ng pagkain. Nakagutom. Yung gutom na balik kumain sa Planet Melmac. Napakasarap ng pagkain dyan mga pare ko. Punta lang sa Planet Melmac Chicks and Chips. Only here at Melmac Sports. You must compete. No Philippines. 6 minutes remaining mga pare ko. Pasok!
Try mo na dyan.
21 seconds.
Try mo na kumain dyan.
Napakabango ng pagkain sa Melmac. 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Dapat natin nakabito yung pagkain.
3 points?
3 points.
3 points. 1, 2, 3. 24-23. Nice. Pasok. Ang game 5, 18 minutes. Ang game 6, 10 minutes ha, para lahat maka game 3. Okay. Basket, 2 points.
3.
3 points. 20. 24-27. 24-27. 24-26. 26-26. Tama. 26-28 pare. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Game 5 down. Bakudan, De Guzman, Noel. Yung gustong mag third game lapit. First 7. Yung gustong mag game 3 na 18 minutes ha, yung kaya ng katawan pare ha. Lapit dito yung gustong mag game 3, third game. Meron ba tayong 7 slots sa third game? Game 5 pala. Sino gusto mag-game? Ay, score ba? Score? 20, 30, 26. 30? Ha? Ha? 28, 30. Yung gusto mo game 5, pasok. 32-28. Wait lang, update ko lang. Ang hirap. Ay, lapit yung magka-game 3. Sino? Sino yung gusto? Pito pa. Yung game 5, kulang pito. Tatlo lang kasi itong mag-graduate eh. Kailangan pa ng pitong player. Sino pa? Lapit. Yung kaya ng katawan ko yan. Oh, hindi. May yung game 5 ko kulang ng pitong player. Sino? Lagyan nyo ng number. Sige, sino yung... 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Si Pamini. Sino pa? Ay, Paolo? Ay, pumasok?
Sino pa?
Lima na lang pre.
May pasok.
Lima na lang pre.
30-32 pare. Last 2 minutes.
Lima kayo? Sino?
Kailangan ko pa ng 4 na player sa game 5. Sino gusto mag-third game? Wala na. Pagod na lahat. Basket, 2 points. 34-30.
For three!
Oh, good. Last 1 minute and 27 seconds. Ano yan? 5 lang pre. Ay, tatlo. Si Dan kasama na sa dilang. Si Dan kasama na sa dilang. One minute and 10 seconds. Once again, game 5, Berino. Santo Tomas. Lastrilla. Dang. Paolo, Pamini. May kusumahan Noel. 50 seconds. 3 points. 33-34.
Oras.
40 seconds. Oh.
Oras.
30 seconds.
Oras.
20 seconds remaining mga pare. Kulang ng player na atin. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 35-34 pare ko eh. Pasok. Winners, game 4.